Let's go right across to Uma Sudhir joining us live this morning. Uma, lockdown restrictions have been completely lifted in Telangana. This from with effect from 6 a.m. Now, many questions being asked on whether this is really the best strategy given the fact that there's already a warning for the third wave that's been sounded.
Absolutely, Rishika. This is something that people are also quite anxious about. But of course, complete lifting of the lockdown restrictions from 6 a.m. today, which means you don't even have any night curfew, and all sorts of regulations, in fact, have been moved. And the one that is, in fact, moving or people are concerned most about is the fact that all educational institutions have been told that they must reopen from the 1st of July. I have with me two students, Pranati and Nathan. Pranati, you're going to be going to college from the 1st of July. What are your concerns?
With the decision coming yesterday, it made us all wonder how well informed the decision it was, and especially because the absence of facts that will guarantee the safety of students, teachers and their families, it makes us wonder why the government has made such an impulsive and hasty decision. And in March, when the institutions had temporarily opened up, they were all forced to shut down within a matter of 10-15 days. So why does the government want to make us go through that ordeal again?
And many youngsters perhaps are not completely vaccinated. Both of you have got your first dose of vaccine?
Yes, we have, and that's also one of our issues here because most of the kids my age, that is above the age of 18, have not even received their first dose. Along with that, to go to these colleges, a lot of kids don't have the luxury of private transport, and they'll have to resort to public measures, which everyone knows is a cesspool of infection. Along with that, the online classes, while they aren't ideal, are also a great way to currently go about the current education scenario, because safety over everything should be everyone's concern right now. So I feel like, as Praniti had said, it was a very rash decision, and I really feel like they need to rethink this.
You also have a younger sister who has to go to school, and they are not even in the age of getting vaccinated.
Yes, and at least college-going students, some of us have got our first dose of vaccination, but students who are going to school have not been vaccinated even once. And with a virus as volatile as this, which springs new surprises on us every day, with the WHO and AIIMS giving new guidelines and safety protocols, opening up schools for children who will not be able to properly adhere to the rules, especially in packed campuses and classes, is a very bad idea right now.
We are in fact here at a vaccination center. This is a drive where women specifically are in fact being targeted, and all of them trying to get their vaccines, the first dose or the second dose as of now. Are you concerned about the opening up of the economy? Of everything, in fact, lockdown is over.
Yeah, it's good to be locked down, but this is a so pandemic situation, so we have to be careful. So we have to take vaccine. It will be careful to us. So that's it.
All over the country itself, Rishika, as you know, less than 5% have been completely vaccinated. क्या आपको लगता है कि जो lockdown का lifting हुआ है, is that a good idea अभी? Okay, no view. Most of the time, people are not really aware of what is the kind of numbers we are talking about. The chief minister has, of course, said, or the cabinet has put out a note saying that they are doing this on the basis of medical reports that they have got, which means about 1,400 cases every day and about 12 deaths is what we saw in the last 24 hours. But Rishika, we do know from other sources that the numbers that the government has been putting out are largely suppressed. And deaths we have seen could be as many as 10 times the numbers that the state government has put out, and therefore the big concern for everyone about the kind of moves that the government is making, lifting the lockdown all at once. Back to you.